Welcome everybody, VST here, VSTips Tech. My phone is here and I have a plant and also a syringe full of water, and you can just see guys, I have some water on my phone, right? You might think I'm using this syringe full of water to water my plant, but I have to disappoint it, it's an artificial plant. And you've probably seen the title of the video, and this explains why I have here some water on my phone. So what I'm gonna be showing you guys today is how you can clean your speaker from water, right? So usually what happens after your phone comes in contact with water is, if you're lucky, your phone survives, and of course if it also does have IP68 or let's say a good rating. Well, if you're not lucky, even with a rating, yeah, you might just as well throw off your phone, but in both cases there's gonna be some water trapped in the speakers. There is no rocket science behind all of this. I've downloaded like the top 3 apps from the Play Store: Speaker Cleaner whatever, and Speaker Cleaner 3, yeah. But I was telling you guys, there is no rocket science. In fact, what those applications are doing is, yeah, okay, let me just show you guys. Here's my phone guys, and I'm going to simulate watering my phone. In fact, I'm gonna watering my phone, so you see there is some water coming inside, okay? Now, I told you what those apps are doing. Yeah, I cannot now put the app on because I have water here. All right, let me just try again, no luck. I have now made sure to have water on my phone, probably also in my speakers. And guys, I'm gonna start the first applications. Okay, and I told you, remember, there is no rocket science. So what you guys need to do is, once you put one of those applications, press the button Clean Speaker, set the volume to maximum, which I have to do, okay? And lay your phone with the screen facing down. But just appreciate the moment, guys. Just see what this app is doing. Okay, now let me just put the volume max. I'm gonna put it like this, and yeah, see? This is the water going out. And guys, I'm just saying this for the 3rd time. There is no rocket science behind all of this. So what is the science behind this, guys? Those apps are just generating some low frequencies and also some high frequencies, and just physically trying to get the water from the speaker, right? And those frequencies right now, the lower one, are I think very suitable to do this. Okay, so this is a whole magic. And see, it just rotates the patterns, right? It starts with some low frequency, it goes to some high frequency, and voila, okay. Is it repaired? If it's still muffled, restart the sequence. And this is pretty much what happens, guys. I want to show you something else. I told you I downloaded 3 of those, okay? And why the second one is also quite good, because you can go to a manual mode and you can just see, guys, I can start cleaning it 150 Hertz, okay, 312 Hertz, and I can go up to 500 Hertz, right? So I told you guys, it uses low frequencies and mid frequencies to really try to get the water physically out of your speaker. And funny enough, you can go on YouTube and you can just listen to some pre-recorded videos with frequencies like this if you don't want to download the apps. But those apps are free, guys, and you can just use them. You can use them while being on loudspeaker and also while using this as an earpiece. So yeah, why not? Maximize the volume, disconnect the headphones, speaker face down, all right? Yep, see? Same thing, guys. And just wait to hear the sound of the water leaving out your earpiece. And while we're on the subject, guys, there is also another application called the Water Resistance Tester, which claims to use some of the internal sensors of the phone to measure if the phone has been compromised in terms of water resistance. So how it works, you just put it on, you tap like this, okay? And then you should get something like this status: your phone's water resistance seals appear to be intact. Somebody on Reddit claims that actually Samsung engineers are also using this kind of method inside their labs. Find all the details how this works in the frequently asked questions. And if you do appreciate videos like these, guys, just don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for the channel, and if you have some questions for me, put them down below inside the comments. And yeah, don't play with water and with your phones, guys. Phones don't like water. With that said, VST over and bye.